Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to device lock and enter screen lock. As you can see right now, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. Firstly, enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN, and to create PIN you have to add at least 4 digits. And in the end we can select pattern, and to create pattern we have to connect at least 4 dots. And use it to unlock the phone. Now we can proceed to biometrics, and the first biometric is fingerprint. Tap setup, and now scan your fingerprint on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now your fingerprint is scanned, you can use it to unlock the phone. In the end go to face unlock, setup, and now simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lights conditions in this room, I can't scan my face, so make sure that the lights conditions in the room you are currently in are enough for the face to be scanned. When you scan it, you'll be able to unlock your phone using the face recognition. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.